Hi, Steve Schlegel here. I'm an estate planning attorney in Colorado, and I wanted to share with you some thoughts on healthcare directives or healthcare power of attorneys. This is a document that you have prepared, often having an attorney take care of it. Sometimes you can fill out a form yourself. But what the document does is it gives someone else the authority to make medical decisions on your behalf when you are unable to, when your physician or your doctor says that you're unable to. In the past, and still today, many of the healthcare directives, or what we used to call living wills, are set up in a question and answer format that explain to the hospital or to the doctor that if this happens, then I want this done, or if this happens, I'd like to have this done. Of course, you can imagine what the problem with that is. If your situation doesn't fit exactly what the question and answer format said, then the doctor's not going to have direction and is not going to be able to accept the direction of another family member. The problem is that most hospitals and doctors are very concerned about being sued for malpractice and tend not to take any action that they're not totally authorized to do. And so by having a healthcare directive or a healthcare power of attorney in place, you authorize a family member to make those medical decisions when you cannot. Doctors and hospitals like that situation, and I highly recommend that you do it. My advice, though, is to look at whether or not you want to take advantage of the question and answer format, or more of a simple power of attorney approach, a healthcare power of attorney, where you simply direct or appoint someone to make those decisions for you. And this is an important issue because many hospitals and many doctors will no longer take the direction of your spouse or a family member as to your medical care without this document being in place. So if you don't have it, I encourage you to get it today. If you have further questions on this, or you'd like my help, or you'd like to ask me a question, you'll find my contact information here on this page. Thanks.